Hi, my name's Scott from Scott's Honest Reviews. I hope you guys are having a great day. Today we're going to be reviewing this inflatable. Alright guys, so this is the cat at night. Those eyes, man, do they glow. Look at this cat. Oh my word. So it moves its head. This thing is not to be messed with. This is one of those cats that's like, you know what? I'm in charge. You don't mess with me. Okay, my friends, so a couple things. Try and have nothing blocking the fan because this pulls in air to inflate it, and also make sure your zipper is fully zippered. If this isn't zippered, it's not going to inflate right or might not inflate at all. So keep that in mind. You also get your bags. Now you can put water, sand, stone, whatever you want to put in here, and these are just weighted bags to keep it down, but you also get rope and stakes to stake it down as well. Now if you guys want a size comparison, well, let me show you. Let me show you guys. This thing's big. This thing's big. And it's much bigger than you guys realize. Look how big this is. Here, let's get a better angle. All right, so this is so cool. It's really lightweight, guys. But you can see how big it is compared to me. Extend it at an angle so you guys get a good idea here. So cool, guys. Now imagine if you mounted this on your house roof, like sticking over the peak. That'd be so cool. So you have the two red in the eyes. You also have a white light right up here in the wing, one on there in the wing, and one in the tail. In person, definitely creepy. That's cool. That is cool, guys.